Hello, hello mga kapatid! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga kapatid dyan all over the world. Boo! Nakakatakot, diba? Walang magawa si ate, kaya nag-eksperimento kanina kung ano nang ginawa sa aking mata. Hindi ako nag-makeup, talagang pinili ko lang kung paanong gumawa ng tawag dito? Eye wing ba tawag dyan? Kung anong katsurbahan, ewan ko. Hindi ko na perfect. Hindi ko naaalisin, mamaya ko naaalisin pagkatapos kong mag-vlog. Napraning ako dito. Alerks. Ano ba yan? Kabruhildahan ko. Kung ano nang pauso kasi ginagawa ni ate. Anyway, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. At it's February 25th and it's Thursday. And it's 1:34 p.m. Kanina sana mag-vlog na ako. Nung nagko-copy ako. Kaya lang parating yun na lang ako nakikitang nasa robe. So sabi ko, maiba-iba naman. Well, not always on the robe, pero mostly on the robe, diba? So, thank you guys nga pala sa mga nanood ng vlogs ko kahapon. Thank you. At sa mga nag-comment kahapon, syempre. Chika minute tayo ngayon. Chika minute. Chika. I know. Babasahin ko ang inyong sabay ganun no? Ang inyong mga commenters. Diba? Commenters. Anyway. Tawag dito. Nanood ako ng mga vlogs nyo, syempre. Pakita nyo naman mga comment. Okay, we go on the bottom para naman fair. Okay? Saved by grace. Ate, ang laki ng bahay nyo. Naku, kala mo lang yun, malaki. Maliit lang to, 1700 square feet. Yung bago to, yun ang malaki. Pero, inayawan ko. Siguro mga 4 years lang kami doon, nagkasakit ako. Tapos, lumipat kami dito. Kasi ano yun eh, ang laki nun eh, 37,000 square feet yun. Hindi katulad nito, 1,700 square feet lang. Pero, ang hirap dito kasi ano to eh, sa tatlong washroom kasi to pag nililinis. Yun ang mahirap. Sa totoo lang, mahirap magkaroon ng malaking bahay. Kung ako lang masusunod, sa totoo lang kapatid, okay? Mas gugustuhin ko yung bungalow para isang level lang, walang taas. Pero ang maganda, sa stairs, may exercise ako. Yun nga lang. Pero pag tumanda na ako, saka tumanda na asawa ko, yun ang problema. Huwag kayo matakot sa akin, alam ko para akong raccoon or ano may tawag doon? Oo nga, raccoon, ano? Yung animal na raccoon. Hindi ko na nga tinanggal kasi nga nag-experiment ako dito. Sabi ko, ibibideo ko ba to? Wag na, nakakatakot. Wala akong karapatan dahil hindi ako talaga, alam nyo kasi, ng mga 20-ish ko, mga nagme-makeup kami. Wala talagang uso-uso mga wing-wing na yan. So, hindi ko talaga natutunan yan eh. Saka syempre, yung kamay ko lagi nanginginig. So talagang wala, diba? Hindi ako magaling mag-ganyan. Kanina nga, ang ginamit ko nga pala dyan is NYZ. Ayan, makikita nyo. NYZ. See? So, yan. Pero say by the grace, thank you so much for your comment, darling. Takles Chai. Love, Ate Jo. Pag nanonood ako ng vlogs nyo, Ate Jo, parang narinig ko si Charo Santos. Hahaha. Joke lang po. Get well soon po. Thank you so much, Chai. Thank you for watching my vlogs. Yeah, I watched her vlog. Her vlog. Yesterday, that's right, her. You heard me, her. Okay? It's just like when I call my pagpamangking ko, her. A what? A her? Siyempre, diba? Ang pamangking ko, best friend. So, Carrie Bells na natin yan. Taklas Chai. Napanood ko yung vlog niya and he have a new haircut. Okay? Is Kukak's Life. Get well soon, te. Ayan, makikita nyo ang mga comments nyo. Ayan, ayan. Ikinose pa. Salamat sa inyong dalawa. Love you guys. Icy Rose, salamat ate sa pag-mention. Minsan ganoon din ako pag mag-error, pag nagko-comment, kaya double check lagi. Hehehe. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, Icy Rose, for watching my vlog again. Thank you, love. Mahabi. Pagaling kasi, gusto ko sana sabihin mag-walking ka outdoor. Baka makatulong fresh air. Kaso, hindi pala maganda weather ngayon dyan. at hindi ka pala okay pag cold weather. Sige, stay home na lang and drink loads of water. Thank you, my darling. My heart shape pa siya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Nakita niyo? Thank you so much, Mahabi. Thank you, thank you. Wala sa family, get well soon, Ate Jojo. Thank you so much. The J&J Tube and Toys, wonderful video, thumbs up. Sabi niya, I watched their video yesterday and they are in their grandparents' farm. Tapos, naku talaga naman, ang dami-daming bees. Nakakatakot para sa akin yun kasi maganda yung fields, ang ganda, ang laki ng radish nila, ang dami nilang halaman, nakakatuwa. Kaya lang, I think I'm allergic to bees, the wasp, so scared. Saka syempre naalala nyo yung tenga ko. So anyway, thank you so much, the J&J Tube and Toys, my Angel Vlogs. Get well soon, Ate Jojo. Love you much. Love you too. I'm still waiting, sweetheart, dun sa video ni Alexa, yung birthday party niya. Kung may birthday party siya, I just wanna see a video. Kung wala man, pakita mo na rin si Alexa sa amin. Because it's been a while since I see you guys. I love you guys. Miss you guys. And Rona Home Cooking Channel. Ooh, Rona Home Cooking Channel. Oh, I remember her as Rona only. Sister, you changed your channel name? That's cool kasi she does cooks a lot. So cool. Cool. Good for you, girl. Tapos napanood ko yung kanyang vlog and she was in the Jamie Oliver restaurant and OMG. I love that shit. Not only love his cooking but love him. I remember when he was young and he does cooking in a small kitchen. Amazing. And he's British. Love you, sister. Thank you so much, Rona. Candy Soledad Mix. Baka ate, nasa spam ang mga comments mo, kaya di mo nakikita. Ganon din sa akin, kaya ako pag comments sa laptop ako nagbabasa kasi dediretso ako sa video manager at community. Doon makita mo kung may spam messages ka at a-approve mo yon para makakita ang mga comments mo. Hehe, may lagnat din ako, sipon, ubo, di ako makapag-video. Huwang boses ko. I feel you, sis. Alam mo, di ba, pag minsan nakikita niyo yung vlog ko nung may sakit ako, naging parang raspy ang boses natin kapag nagkakasakit tayo. At saka sis, actually, ngayon, simula nung sinabi mo sa akin, remember before that I have to go to my video manager to look at the comments? I always do that now. And also, kung makikita nyo minsan over here, on your comments, makita nyo, there's a review that needs to be approved. Review, ganon. Pupunta ako doon, tapos saka ako titingnan kung merong spam, i-remove ko yung spam. Pero kapag alam kong hindi spam, ina-approve ko yung comments. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Get well soon. Feel better, my love. Feel better. Ella's Daily. Ate, feel better. Thank you so much. Watch your video yesterday. Good exercise. Thank you. Pinay New Yorker. Oh, unfortunately, we're back na ate. Kung hindi lang kay Puka, hindi na ako babalik dito. Laughing out loud. Feel better. Sila Jemmy. Hello, Jeff. Saka yung anak niya si AJ. Balik na sila sa America. Well, New York. Nasa New York na sila. Hello, sister. Hello. I know what you mean, eh. Pero, there is no place like home for me. Kasi kayo, magkakasama kayo mag-anak. Kasama mo asawa mo, kasama mo anak mo. Kaya, it feels like it's different, right? Kasi ako lang pumunta sa Pilipinas. Kaya, na-miss ko ang anak ko at saka asawa ko. Pero yes, I've seen all your videos. They're so cool and nice. I love the Pangasinan. I've been there. Oh my God, I can't believe that they have houses now. I remember when I was there, they don't have that. We used the boat para pumunta sa isang island. Nagbanig lang kami sa may ground, sa lapag. Tapos gumawa lang kami ng apoy para makapag-ihaw. Ganun lang ginawa namin. That was 27 years ago. Yes, 26 years ago. Yes, there you go. And welcome back, sister. Oh, si Melanie Lim. Sabi niya, grabe ka nang makasori, sis. Okay lang yun, feel better soon. Alam mo kasi, alam niyo pati, thank you for accepting my apology. Di ba nagkamali ako kahapon, namik ko si Mags, tapos saka si Mel, Magdo's World, and then Melanie Lim. Di ba yung YouTuber? Channel niya, Melanie Lim. Huwag niyong kalimutan. Na-mix ko silang dalawa. Kasi, alam niyo ako, hanggat maaari, ayokong maka-open ng tao. I don't like to hurt anybody's feelings. Prangka ako, okay lang. Pero pag alam ko nakaka-open ako ng tao, parang nasasaktan yung alam na feel ko kasi may pagka-sensitive ako. Ganun ako. Sorry. Sorry. Tumatanda na si ate. I'm sorry. I'm being so sensitive na. Kaya ganun siguro. Pero anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Okay, thank you for always leaving your comments below. Maraming salamat. Sa totoo langers, okay? So, if you can see, I have a notification again. Sandali. Oh, look at that. Look at this, guys. Kung makikita nyo, Ann Klutz. Oh my God, sinabi ko sa kanya. Kasi di ba nanood ako sa kanya ng I'm speechless kasi it's Ann Klutz, di ba? Popular to si Ann Klutz. Para it's Judy's Life, ito ng Pilipinas. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sige, ihiramin ko muna si Ju para you can clean up. Love you, Ju. The nail art is called Nani Nails. I used to love that. Tapos, sabi niya, Jojo, ayan, Nani Nails, na itatawag ko, haha. ayan. Diba? O, diba, Bongalish? Sis, nakapag, sa akin, nag-reply siya sa comment ko. Wow. Ann Klutz had time to leave reply on my comments. That is just amazing. I don't know about you guys, but love it. Okay, guys. So, thank you, Ann, for answering my comment. Thank you. Appreciate that. So, di ba, Bongalish siya? Yun. Nakakatuwa. Nakita niyo yun, mga testigo kayo. Sabay ganun, Pero maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat, and kung makikita niyo yung mga napanood ko na mga mga vlogs nyo, okay, mag-umpisa tayo sa ngayon ko napanood na araw na ito, okay? And Ella's Daily yesterday is anti-bullying day, I think. Yes, no to bullying vlog, napanood ko yun, sis. Tapos, ABC Kids, Dumaguete Life, you watch that. Yeah, congratulations, you have 500 subscribers. Miss Pili, What's in My Bag, Diaper, Tasting Cola, Sofa, Shooting, and Filipino Food. Sam Nang Tuong, I think they're in Vietnam. And What's Up, Kevin, napanood ko na. ABC Kids again, Jessie Kretz, Clogged Ears, meron siyang problema, sis. Nga pala, you have to go to the doctor before you go. Kasi baka mamaya pag nandun ka na sa pupuntahan mo, doon ka lalo magkaroon ng problema. Opinion lang ni ate. Okay? Sunday at Taipei, Jolly Bernas. It's Cook's Life, Costco, Banana Cake, February 22 yun. Tapos, What's Inside My Traveling, Part 1. Ito rin kay Jessie Kretz, na makita nyo. Tapos, Miss Pili again, My High School Experience. Tapos, It's Cook's Life, Steering Wheel Problem. Naku, problema yan. Baka kailangan lang i-balance. Tapos, Ena Bonina, Introducing Batong Feeding. Wow! Good job, sis! Tapos, Lace Vlog, Transforming the Ulam from Binagoongan to Bicol Express. Oh, that's cool. Cute giveaway candy jars. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Lace Vlog. Tapos, Jessie Kretz again. Jessie tries to put makeup by bridal look. Yan. Tapos, I think ito na yung last na nandun sila sa Pilipinas. I'm not sure, Mount Pinatubo Travel Vlog by Pinay New Yorkers. This was 4 hours ago na naman. Tapos, Candy Solidad, may 2 super kulit nephew. Tapos, Yeah, nasa Cambodia sila. Samnangtong. I don't know how to pronounce that. Samnangtong. Torn. 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 Sorry. Samnang na lang. Ayan, may anniversary travel tour. Nasa Cambodia sila. Tapos, yung Chubby Bunny Challenge nila, Cotton Ball Challenge. Sila Lace Blood. At saka, may Little Master Chef by Malalulim. Ayan. Yan si Seb. Nakita ko yung picture dun sa FB. So, sabi ko, lutuan din ako, bigyan din ako ng watermelon ni Master Chef Seb. O, diba, Bongalish. Yun, o, diba? Makita nyo naman yan, ha? Nakita nyo mga pinagagawa ni ate. Kaya, chika-chika, diba? Mas malamang mag-chika-chika si ate. Talagang, after this, I'm gonna remove this. Talagang nakakong pasensya na po kayo. Pero talagang niray ko magkaroon ng wing-wing effect na yan. Pero, you know what? I think it's, Sis Ellis who said that, practice makes it perfect. There you go. O, kinuha ko, binaro ko pala. I'm trying to borrow the word from, hashtag, practice makes it perfect. Yun, sabi ni Sis Ellis Daily. O, diba, sis? Bongga. Bega. Bega pala, bega. Ano naman yun, Sister Ina. Kasi she was talking about something on her blog and then she said, bega. So, I said, what is bega, sis? Bega is like bongga. O, diba? Pero sa Bisaya, bega. O, diba? So, bega, bongalish. O, diba? So, yun lang. Girl. So, yun lang ang aking comments at saka chika-chika sa inyo for today. I don't know what time is it. I have to look. Pero, Ate Jojo needs to start preparing dinner because it takes a while to cook the dinner. Kasi, alam niyo, natatandaan niyo yung chicken na ginawa ko last week. It's from Sis Crystal Jenkins, another YouTuber. She's from England. Sorry. I copy her recipe. So nagustuhan ng anak ko, ni Trish, at saka ni Glenn. So, nagustuhan nila yon. So, yun lang. So, chika-chika lang tayo ngayong araw na to kasi kulumi ang day. Kung nakikita nyo, hindi maaraw. Parang gustong umulan na ayaw. So, it makes my, my day sad. Dito si ate. Pero sandali. Ayan, so, ayan. It's 1:52. Let me see. Ayan. So, yun lang. Yun lang sasabihin ko sa inyo mga kapatid. Check ko lang kanina yung text message ang asawa. Kasi nagkakaroon siya ng problema sa cellphone niya. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching again. Thank you for my subscriber. Thank you for everything. Thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Take care. God bless and have a wonderful day, guys.